I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google and signing into the account that holds the history you want. Once signed in, go to My Activity and Account Settings. This centralizes searches, browsing, and voice activity. Make sure Web and App Activity is enabled so items are recorded and searchable. If it was off, enable it and wait a moment for new activity to appear. Now use the search bar at the top of My Activity to enter keywords, sites, or dates to begin narrowing results. Once you have results, refine them to find specific items faster. Use the search field for keywords, domain names, or exact URLs. Putting quotes around a phrase finds exact matches, and a minus sign excludes words. Then open the Filter by Date and Product menu to select a custom date range or just show search or YouTube activity. If you need device-specific records, choose the Device filter. Combining keyword search with filters reduces noise and surfaces the exact history entries you need. Finish by reviewing matched items and taking action. Click the three-dot menu on any entry to delete, view details, or export data. To keep history tidy, set auto-delete for 3, 18, or 36 months so older items are removed automatically. If you can't find something, make sure you're in the correct Google account, check whether Web and App Activity was paused, and look at other synced devices or signed-in browsers. If issues persist, sign out and back in or clear local cache and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.